Hi guys, welcome back, or just welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to decrease in Tunisian simple stitch. If you don't know how to do this simple Tunisian stitch, go ahead and watch the first video of this series where I explain the basics of it. Okay, perfect. Continue with our sample here. To decrease, we simply work under 2 loops in the beginning of the row. Like, instead of inserting our hook here, we are going to insert our hook in these 2 vertical bars here, yarn over, pull through. Continue the row as you would and do our return pass as you would. We are going to have one less stitch in this row. If we want to decrease on the last stitch of our row, we're going to do the same thing, but with our last stitch. Like here, we still have these 2 stitches to go through. So we are going to insert here, and pull through both of us. Do a return pass like normal, and yeah, that's it.